Hey everybody, the July 2025 release of OpenBOM for Autodesk Fusion brings even more data validation around part numbering. Let me give you an example. I'm gonna build a BOM quickly right out of this floor jack, and I'm just gonna take you through it. I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product here at OpenBOM, and I want to show you a new feature here in this release. I've got a couple of parts in here that have the same part number. So OpenBOM is now analyzing all those part number properties across that whole set, and it says, hey, look, Steve, you got two items here with the F1005 part number, the A-link and the anchor bolt. I'm like, well, that wasn't what I intended. So let me go down and show you how easy it is to straighten this out. I'm going to go look at the part number for the A-link component. Here I'm like, yep, you're right. That has the same number. It's not at all what I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that out and save it, and then use the OpenBOM command to generate a next unique part number right here. As easy as this. Go generate that part number. OpenBOM tells me a new part number was assigned. Come up here to the top and just go ahead and run out that bill of materials one more time. And we'll see now that when OpenBOM creates that bill of material, we will have all unique part numbers, of course, along with a nice digital BOM that includes step files, PDF files, DXFs of sheet metal, all the things that modern engineers require in bills of material. So you just saw there got past the first check. No duplicate part numbers now. And let's go ahead and fetch this new BOM. Here we go. So we have a multi-level bill of materials for the floor jack with part number validation and all the derivative files that we need, including PDFs of drawings, steps, STLs, anything else that's needed. So here we go. You can see we've got our derivative files over here and a full bill of materials, multi-level with unique part numbers. So that is part number validation in the July 2025 release of OpenBOM for Autodesk Fusion. Enjoy.